Begin your experiment on the Rosalind homepage. Here you can navigate through your projects, spaces, and public showcases. Projects are personal places for you to store and organize experiments and meta-analysis. Click Add New Project to create a new project folder. Give your new project a title and optional description. Both the title and description can be edited at a later time from the homepage. Once you have completed naming your project, click Next. If you have a NanoString Starter or NanoString Professional subscription, select Partner Recommended Analysis to access NanoString workflows. If you have any of our other subscriptions, you can select Design a new experiment to access all analysis types. For this example, we will demonstrate with the Partner Recommended selection, but experiment setup is identical for both selection types. Within Partner Recommended Analysis, select NanoString. Rosalind supports multiple NanoString assay types, including standard gene expression, TCR diversity analysis, microRNA expression, and plex set. We will first demonstrate how to analyze a standard gene expression or microRNA expression assay. To upload normalized counts from nSolver, open nSolver and export the counts file. From the normalized data within your experiment, select your samples and click Export. Select RCC Collector Tool Format Export and click Finish. The file can be renamed, but maintain the file format. Returning to Rosalind, select Gene Expression nSolver Normalized Counts or microRNA nSolver Normalized Counts to upload your normalized counts file. Give your new experiment a title and optional description. Click the upload box labeled Browse or drop nSolver RCC export file to navigate to and select your file, or drag and drop the file into the box. Then click Next. Rosalind will auto-detect the NanoString panel and species. Begin by typing an attribute, and Rosalind Intelligence will bring up closely matching attributes from the Rosalind and NCBI databases. You can select a matching attribute from the drop-down menu or press Enter to create your own custom attribute. Once all study attributes are added, click Generate Attribute File to download a CSV file. Enter your sample attribute information in the CSV, or sample by sample later on within the Rosalind platform. Within the CSV file, the sample name will be auto-generated as the RCC file name. Do not change this column. Use the sample replacement column to enter a concise and unique name for each sample that will be displayed within the results of your experiment. Then fill in the corresponding information related to each sample's attribute. Once all the attribute information is completed, save the file as a CSV. The attribute file can be re-uploaded by clicking the Upload Attribute File button. Then click the Browse or Drop File box to navigate to and select your file, or simply drag and drop the file into this box from a separate window. Once the file has been uploaded, you will see the total number of attributes on the right-hand side. If this looks correct, select Next to confirm which attributes were detected. Review your final sample information. You can remove samples from your final list by selecting the red minus on the left-hand side. You can add additional samples using the Upload New Files button on the bottom of the page. If the sample information is correct, click Save Attributes. Comparisons can be created during experiment setup or at a later stage after the experiment has been launched and generated. To create a new comparison during experiment setup, click Create New Comparison. You will see gray selection boxes depicting your study attributes and individual samples. Comparisons can be set up from the attribute level or the sample level. To create a comparison, click your attribute of interest and drag and drop that attribute into the corresponding box for control or condition. You will notice that Rosalind will intelligently name the comparison as you drag and drop attributes into the boxes. When you are satisfied with the comparison, click Save. You are able to set up multiple comparisons for differential expression analysis. To consider multiple factors, such as different treatments in the same group, simply drag and drop multiple attributes into their corresponding boxes. Notice that the default name of the comparison changed to reflect this as well. Once you are satisfied with your comparisons, click Next. Your experiment will automatically begin processing for launch. Do not navigate away from the launch page until your experiment has successfully launched. Thank you for watching.